There is a multi-billion-dollar gap between the fuel you pay for and the energy your engine actually uses. Right now, as you watch this, a systematic drain is happening at the pump that most drivers write off as rising costs, but it's actually a mechanical oversight that's costing you a fortune. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 15 high-level fuel secrets that the industry banks on you never figuring out, including one specific habit that is effectively burning a $1,000 hole in your pocket every single year. Secret 15, the pump speed trick. We've all been there. You're in a rush, so you squeeze that trigger to the max and lock the clip. But from a technician's perspective, fast is the enemy of full. When fuel moves at high velocity through that narrow nozzle, it creates a physical phenomenon called aspiration. It essentially whips the gasoline into a turbulent, frothy mixture filled with microscopic vapor pockets. Here's the kicker. Gas pumps are flow meters, not mass meters. They measure the volume of whatever passes through the pipe, whether it's liquid gold or useless air bubbles. When you pump at full blast, you are paying liquid prices for evaporated vapor that disappears into your car's charcoal canister before you even leave the lot. By clicking that handle to the lowest setting, you maintain a laminar, stable flow. It's denser, it's cooler, and it ensures the meter is reading actual fuel. It takes an extra 30 seconds, but over a year, that's an entire free tank of gas staying in your car instead of vanishing into thin air. Secret 14, the premium fuel trap. The marketing at the pump is designed to make you feel like a premium person, but if your owner's manual says regular, buying the expensive stuff is high-octane arson for your wallet. Octane is not a measurement of power or purity, it is strictly a measurement of stability. High-octane fuel is harder to ignite, designed specifically for high compression engines to prevent knock. If you put 93 octane into an engine designed for 87, the fuel actually burns slower and less efficiently because the engine's timing isn't advanced enough to handle it. You aren't cleaning your engine, you're often just confusing the ECU and throwing away nearly $1 more per gallon. Unless you hear a literal metallic pinging under load or your manual mandates it, stick to regular. Your car and your savings account will run much smoother. Secret 13, the fuel delivery truck trap. If you pull into a station and see a massive tanker truck parked over the fill ports, keep driving. This isn't about the traffic, it's about the chaos happening 10 feet underground. Those massive storage tanks naturally accumulate sludge, a nasty cocktail of rust scale, sediment, and moisture that settles at the bottom over months. When that tanker drops thousands of gallons into the reservoir, it acts like a giant blender, kicking all that silt back into suspension. When you pump during or immediately after a delivery, your car's fuel filter becomes the final line of defense against that grit. Clogged filters lead to struggling fuel pumps and restricted injectors. My rule is simple. If the truck is there, the dirt is in the air. Give it 3 hours to settle or find another station. Secret 12, the morning fuel myth. You've likely heard the pro tip to buy gas in the morning because the liquid is colder and therefore denser. While the physics of thermal expansion is real, the application here is a total myth. Modern fuel tanks are buried deep underground and double insulated. The temperature of that gasoline stays within a 2-degree window regardless of whether it's a 100-degree afternoon or a 50-degree morning. The real secret isn't the time of day, it's the seasonal blend. Refineries switch between winter and summer blends to account for Reid vapor pressure. Winter gas is cheaper to produce but contains less energy per gallon. If you've noticed your MPG tanking in November, it's not just the cold air, it's the fuel itself. Gas stations don't advertise this because they don't want you realizing you're getting less bang for your buck in the winter months. Secret 11, the pump calibration trap. When was the last time you actually checked the inspection sticker on the pump? Most people never look, and that's a mistake. Pumps are mechanical devices. They wear down, and their internal meters can drift. While state inspectors do their best, a pump can be out of spec for months before it's caught. A pump that is off by just a few ounces per gallon can steal $50 to $100 a year from you without ever triggering a red flag. Always look for a current holographic weights and measures seal. If the sticker is peeled, expired, or the pump looks like it hasn't been serviced since the 90s, there's a high statistical chance you aren't getting exactly what the digital screen claims. Secret 10. The hidden air filter connection. Think of your air filter as your engine's lungs. If you were trying to run a marathon while breathing through a thick, wet sponge, you'd burn through your energy reserves instantly. Your engine is the same. A clogged filter creates a vacuum effect that forces the engine to pull harder, often triggering the computer to dump more fuel to compensate for the lack of oxygen. I've seen dirty filters drop fuel economy by a staggering 10%. That is the equivalent of paying an extra 40 cents per gallon for absolutely no reason. Most people wait for their mechanic to suggest a change, but you can check this yourself in 30 seconds. If it's gray, oily, or you can't see a flashlight beam through the pleats, swap it out. It's the cheapest tune-up you'll ever do. Secret 9. The tire pressure truth. This is the single most ignored fuel-saving secret in automotive history. Tires that are even 5 psi low create massive rolling resistance. It's like riding a bike with flat tires. You have to pedal twice as hard to go the same speed. But here is the expert hack. The pressure listed on your door jamb is usually optimized for maximum comfort, not maximum efficiency. I typically run my tires 2 to 3 psi above the door sticker, but always staying below the max cold pressure on the tire sidewall. This stiffens the contact patch, reduces drag, and can bump your MPG by 3% instantly. Check them once a month. As the temperature drops, so does your pressure and your profits. Secret 8. The short trip fuel killer. If your daily commute is less than 3 miles, you are effectively operating in a fuel-burning penalty zone. An engine is a heat machine. Until it reaches its operating temperature, about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it runs in open-loop mode. To keep a cold engine from stalling, the computer sprays an incredibly rich mixture of fuel, up to 30% more than usual. During short trips, your engine never reaches its efficiency peak. If you're a short trip driver, your oil also becomes contaminated with unburned fuel and moisture because it never gets hot enough to evaporate them. To fight this, try to chain your errands together. One long loop is significantly cheaper than 5 separate cold starts. Secret 7. The hidden weight penalty. Your car isn't a storage unit, yet most of us treat it like one. Every 100 pounds of junk in the trunk reduces your fuel economy by about 1 to 2%. This is especially true for smaller cars, where that weight represents a higher percentage of the total mass. The biggest offenders are roof racks and cargo boxes. Even when empty, a roof rack destroys your car's aerodynamics, creating a parachute effect that can slash your highway MPG by 15%. If you aren't hauling a kayak today, take the rack off. It's like giving your car a streamlined haircut that pays you back every mile. Secret 6. The wrong oil viscosity trap. Oil is a lie that kills engines and fuel budgets. Modern engines are built with incredibly tight tolerances, sometimes thinner than a human hair. If your car calls for 0W20 and you put in 10W30 because it's thicker and protects better, you are making a massive mistake. Thicker oil creates internal shear. The engine has to work harder just to move the oil pump and circulate the lubricant through the galleries. This internal friction can eat up to 5% of your fuel efficiency. Stick to the exact viscosity on your oil cap. Engineers spent thousands of hours calculating that specific weight to balance protection with fuel economy. Secret 5. The gas cap leak. Believe it or not, a $10 rubber seal on your gas cap can be the reason you're losing money. Your fuel system is a pressurized closed loop. If the seal on your cap is cracked or brittle, fuel literally evaporates out of your tank into the atmosphere 24/7. Even worse, the car's computer detects this pressure loss and often goes into a safe mode that alters fuel trims, making the engine run richer to compensate for the perceived leak. If you see a check engine light with an evap code, don't panic, check the cap first. A simple click can save you 100 gallons over the life of the car. Secret 4. The AC versus Windows MPG battle. This is the ultimate debate, air conditioning or windows down. Here is the definitive, expert-tested answer. It depends on your speedometer. Around town, under 40 miles per hour, the aerodynamic drag of open windows is negligible, but the mechanical load of the AC compressor on the engine is high. Windows win.
However, once you hit the highway, 60 plus miles per hour, your car becomes a brake in the wind. Open windows create so much buffeting and drag that it's actually more efficient to roll them up and run the AC. The engine handles the compressor load easier at high RPMs than it handles the massive wind resistance of an open cabin. Secret 3. The sensor sabotage. Your engine has eyes called sensors, specifically the mass airflow and oxygen sensors. Over time, these get coated in carbon and oil vapors. They don't always fail and trigger a light, instead they become lazy. A lazy O2 sensor might tell the computer the engine is running lean when it isn't, causing the computer to dump extra fuel. You could be losing 20% of your fuel economy and never know it because the car still feels fine. If your mileage has slowly declined over the last year, a $10 bottle of mass sensor cleaner could be the best investment you ever make. Secret 2. The idling trap. Idling is the only time your car gets 0 miles per gallon. Many people think restarting the car uses more gas than letting it sit. That was true in the 1970s with carburetors, but not today. Modern fuel-injected engines use a tiny puff of fuel to start. If you're going to be stopped for more than 30 seconds outside of traffic, turn the engine off. Idling not only wastes fuel, but also causes fuel dilution in your oil because the combustion isn't as efficient at low RPMs. If you're waiting for someone at the store, kill the engine. It's better for your wallet and your spark plugs. Secret 1. The speed sweet spot. Physics is a harsh mistress. As your speed increases, the power required to push through the air doesn't just increase, it doubles and triples. For 90% of vehicles on the road, the sweet spot for maximum MPG is between 45 and 55 miles per hour. Once you cross 65 miles per hour, your fuel economy starts to fall off a cliff. Moving from 65 to 75 miles per hour can cost you as much as 20% in fuel efficiency just to save a few minutes of drive time. Is getting to your destination 5 minutes earlier really worth paying 20% more for every mile? When you find that sweet spot in the right lane, you'll be amazed at how much further a tank actually takes you. Which of these secrets was the biggest light bulb moment for you? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want to keep your car running forever, check out my next video on the maintenance mistakes that are secretly killing your engine. See you there.